Hey guys, so I wanted to show you really quickly how to do a couple things in Kahoot and how to find Craig's stuff in Edpuzzle really easily. So I'm going to send you this one. This is directed inverse variation review. So what you want to do with Kahoot for them to be able to play is select a Kahoot and just click on the title. And then over here where it says like, do you want to play it? You can do a challenge. So I've already done a challenge with this one, but I could certainly do another one if I needed to. But I can also view the results of the challenge. So I can assign it for self-paced learning. So I'm going to click play. And then what I'm going to do is I want to put their due date. So say I want it to be Friday, and I'll let them go all the way till 10 p.m. I'm going to have their question timer on. They're going to get their answers in random order from somebody else, so they can't share that information. And I'm not going to have them do a nickname generator. They can just do their own, and then I can click create. So then what Kahoot does is it allows you to handy dandy either share directly on the Google Classroom or create a challenge link. So if you have a Google Classroom, great. If not, you could just copy this link and post it to your Blackboard or wherever, and then the kids are able to go to Kahoot and it'll take them straight to your game. And then once you're finished, like you saw before, so once you're finished, under reports, you're going to have the results. So here it is, it says challenge in progress, but here's the one that I already assigned to them. So you can click this little award cup and see some of the kids didn't use their real names, and that's fine. I didn't really give them any instructions, just wanted to see who was doing it. But it'll give you the results of how everybody did, who hasn't finished, who scored really low and needs help. But it'll give you all this. But when you first look at it, it'll say you need like to upgrade your Kahoot account, and you don't need to do that because, well, you do, but they're letting you upgrade for free. So there should be a little flag at the bottom of the screen that says, while your school is closed, we're going to let you have Kahoot Premium for free. So if you just click that, it like automatically opens up another window and it automatically runs this update, and then all of a sudden you have a premium account. So it'll say K Premium. So otherwise you can only see the people that finished in the top 5 for the game. So then hopefully that helps you create the challenge. And then if you flip over to Edpuzzle, if you want to find Craig's stuff, if you go to content and you go to Lake Braddock Secondary School, you're going to want to click the 166 teachers link. And then if you bring it, you select the subject area of math, and then you can click, see Craig Whitesell's at the bottom. And then when you click Craig Whitesell, you can just click his videos. So if you want to kind of steal this, okay, you can click it here and go ahead and copy it. You can edit it. It's not, I don't know how much crossover there is, and we don't want to change what Craig actually has in there. So what I did yesterday was I just clicked copy, and then it copied it to my content. So then when I went over to my content, his stuff was there. So then, here's the original one I copied, and then I edited the title. So then I can click this little box and click edit. And then anything that he did here, which I didn't change anything that he did here, but you can change or add any questions that you want. But then when you finish this, it'll allow you to assign it over here. So, oh, sorry, you can't see that because my head's in the way. So then if you click assign right here, then it will assign it to your kids. So you could change the title or whatever, just like you normally would. So I hope that helps. Good luck.